A very good morning to all present for this capsule. I would firstly like to congratulate the Shillong Group and Brigadier Bali for taking this initiative and for getting in Polaris Group to conduct this capsule, which you will go through. Basically, personality development with a view to helping you to clear SSB, and I would say not only SSB but any interview. Now, I would like to mention to you, young cadets, that the entire NCC training itself is a personality development capsule. We are teaching you discipline as a way of life, punctuality. We teach you leadership skills, leading and following. Because if you cannot be a good follower, if you don't know how to follow, let me tell you, tomorrow you will not be able to lead. NCC also teaches you good communication skills. We are training you, group discussions. We take you out, we give you practical experience, how to carry a team, how as a member of a team to move with the team, to make sure the team's objectives are met. So these kind of practical knowledge and experience which we are giving you, actually, I would say, is better than an MBA. Because a graduate with an MBA degree has only studied leadership, whereas you cadets have actually practiced it. So please be confident, and this capsule will be a more focused and a more deliberate attempt to teach you certain more specifics, some amount of self-awareness, time management, the SWOT analysis techniques, and I'm sure that they will help to refine your skills further, and you will be better prepared for life, for SSB, and for any other interview. Thank you, and all the best to all of you.
Aim of NCC training is to produce worthy citizens for our country. Citizens who excel in all walks of life and make us proud. All leaders possess certain personality traits which make them stand out or stand apart from the crowd. In order to inculcate and develop these personality traits in all of you, we have decided to conduct this personality development course for all of you. It is being conducted by Polaris Solutions Enterprise, a Shillong-based company, the best that we have in Meghalaya. In this 8 days course, our endeavor will be to take you all on an inner journey of self-awareness, emotional intelligence, communication skills, and leadership attributes through a process of mutual learning and self-discovery. We will help you to discover the hidden, creative, inspiring go-getter self in all of you.
Jai Hind. I, as a senior under officer Pibarsha Dingdor from Shillong Commerce College under 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC. I am here to talk about the online training on personality development conducted by Polaris Enterprise. This training from these 8 days was very helpful to me because it taught me how to tackle with my day-to-day problems. It also taught me on how to be confident whatever step I take in my life. We had many classes region from confidence to bring about change in one's lifestyle. Each class has its own importance and teaching, and these classes really helped me to know myself better and gave me outlook which I never expected to have towards life, and taught me how to be positive and calm in life no matter how the situation is. It also taught me in public speaking. They gave us very good ideas on group discussions, interviews, what are the do's and don'ts, what are the gestures which implement if a person is confident or no. So with this, if I have to go for an interview or group discussion, I would be very nervous and would have no idea what to do. But now I'm confident that if I have to do any interview or group discussion, I'll do my best. This was very interesting and it is the first time I feel confident and comfortable. The trainers were very good and professional. Each trainer have their own personality. We had Miss Bimi. She was a very jolly person with a very positive outlook. She shared with us her achievements and her personal experience, how she feel in any group discussion and how she never gave up on life, which really motivated me because there are times in my life where I face difficulties when I feel that I've gone down. Sir Arjun was another very jolly person and professional. He always taught us to be very confident in whatever we are doing, to be always positive. His positive outlook towards life really inspired me. I can say he is the reason why today I'm here speaking in front of you confidently. Sapoire was another one with fluent English, the thing which I like the most about him, and he would always encourage to keep our points because in the first few days of the conference I couldn't speak. I felt that my points are irrelevant and what would people think, but he taught us that no matter what the points are, what your questions are, everything is important and we should be confident enough to put that ahead. And this is what I feel that change is happening on me, of feeling introvert person to being a very open-minded and very positive person. I could not thank enough for whatever they had done for us, and I'm sure all these classes will really help me in order to choose my career and clear my doubts and to have a good life with a positive attitude. And I also thank Sir Navin. He was also there. He always encouraged us to join class, make sure that we are punctual and remind us about our classes and asked us to join 10 minutes before. And there was not a single day he did not give us a reminder about the classes. And I would thank him for his support and for his motivation for us to join the classes. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Hello, my name is Junior Under Officer Vividly Pathau from 42 Meghalaya Signal Company. I am very grateful to have been a part of Polaris Solutions Training Program. My experience throughout the program was very great as I was able to learn and grasp a lot of information, ideas, knowledge and ways and means in order to develop my personality. A big thank you to Polaris team for helping and shaping the personalities of the NCC cadets of Shillong. During the training, we were introduced to 4 teachers who were Sir Warrior, Sir Naveen, Sir Arjun and Ma'am Bibi. Each of them were an inspiration and have motivated us to become better versions of ourselves. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Hello, I'm Arindam Kapinchal and I'd like to say a few things about the online personality development program conducted by Polaris with the cooperation of NCC that I attended recently. Overall, the training was a good one and the teachers were very efficient in making the cadets understand each and every point through the use of PowerPoint presentations as well as videos. The classes were not boring because there was a lot of interaction between the teachers and the cadets, and also the group discussion session was the most important one for me. And as an NCC cadet myself, I feel like these group discussion sessions should be very useful for those cadets who are aspiring to go for any national level camps like Republic Day camp, etc. etc. That's all for now.
Jai Hind. I, Cadet Nicholas Kokalang of St. Edmund's College, Shillong, 42 Meghalaya Signal Company, Shillong Group. I am making this video to show my appreciation to the Polaris team for conducting the ages training program for the personality building skills. It was a really great experience and I really enjoyed a lot. And I could really see a change in my life because of these sessions, and I feel blessed to have been a part of these sessions. Also, I would like to thank the teachers. In particular, Ms. Bimi. She was a very lovable person and also a very influential person, and I really loved all her sessions. Also, I would like to thank Sir Arjun and Sir Puriya, for they have really motivated me. I could really feel a change in my life, feel a change in my attitude, my habits, and also overcome my weaknesses. Thank you so much, teachers. May God bless you all. Also, I would like to thank the NDR Directorate for conducting this online classes during this pandemic COVID-19. And also, I would like to see this type of classes in the future, because this type of classes can really help a student in changing his life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's session is communication skills, and I started my session today by saying, "Hi guys, good afternoon. My name is Arjun, and today we will be talking about communication skills. The overall communication bifurcation is at 55% is body language, 30% is spoken, and 7% are spoken words. In 15 minutes, you guys will be like, "Oh my God, when will this session finish?" Because you'll not be able to bear it anymore, because there's nothing exciting, there are no hand gestures, there are no vocal, pitch going on, there's no high notes, there are no low notes. You guys will feel sleepy, you guys will get bored. So that is the power of